my blood, my kin, my estate, the cable company promoting the supreme law. And as acting president of this status-pending non-profit organization, I call upon the supreme judges to investigate the charges of murder, felony murder, aggravated battery, and by deception in a felony degree. 1. This is my Cusin attorney information on Shanlin A.S. Park. I offer this to you. Evidence of denied the right to object to the confidential settlement, indemnification and mutual release agreement by Mitchell Uranov Sr. Sr. Paternal male head of bloodline of the estate of Philip Finn, also known as Philip the 50th Finn, also known as Philip Leo Finn, deceased, p. No. 0.17-1-58 in the Circuit Court of the First Circuit State of Hawaii. I, Mitchell Uranov Sr. do submit this truths as the truth as I know it to be, so dated June 24, 2019, with high hope that you as the viewer will, write the judge, and the President of the United States of America, Mr. Donald Trump, the White House, 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, NW, Washington, D.C. 20500. Shanlin A.S. Park. Attorney at Makahistan Miller Mukahi McKinnon. 5 Waterfront PLZ, 4th FL, Honolulu, Hawaii, United States. Managing Director Meagan Lau. Support Secretary Jesse Smith. Associate Attorney Vera Tabe. Paralegal Miayoko Petit Toledo. Company Information Makahistan Miller Mukahi McKinnon LLP. Law Firms and Legal Services. Company Description Makahistan Miller Mukahi McKinnon LLP is one of Hawaii's preeminent law firms, serving the legal needs of these islands and the Pacific Rim for over 20 years. We have the experience, grit, creativity, and relationships to ensure the best result. This Counselor Park is a partner with the firm. Counsel Park also teaches attorney students how to be the best attorney they can be, shares the same school of law as the First Circuit Judge, 24 plus years as a public defender. This lovely lady, who I have called Miss Brain S., represents my Cusin with a passion you can feel right through her pleadings. So, with that said, let's get justice for all of us, as we the people. 2. To this shows receipt, from the Court of Petition by Counsel Shanlin A.S. Park, filing under seal, to release the agreement, dismissal of Jessica Lynn Harris, probate of will, and petition to pay attorney fees to Mark Kawada, Esq. 3. This is Counsel Park representative of my Cusin filed these petitions now. If you can see the arrows I drew from the clerk of the above minus entitled Court under bar Adams, this is stamped seal of the First Circuit State of Hawaii. Everyone has the court ways of going, 45 years in the circuit court judge. From J.R. District Attorney, when you say the above entitled court, there she is. And she is a beauty. The stamp seal of clerk file date, and it even has the time. Say Gator. Why are you spending so much time on a petition being filed? Okay. Already it's been filed under the seal of the First Circuit Court. This petition has been viewed and signed as of approval by the Honorable R. Mark Browning, Judge of the above minus entitled court. We have him guessing now. For I don't have information on the experience of the clerk, but I'm to guess at. They have at least 75 years combined time and no age to the court, and judicial proceedings. Now with that said, if you will follow the arrows from the stamp of clerk to the vowel, or serve on all interested persons within 30 days. 4. Do you see the or serve it on? Now, this is Hawaii law, and a person who has a law degree in, let's say, Georgia, cannot practice law in Hawaii. Now in this law, the Uniform Probate Code states that a flag sheet must be filed with the court, and to keep these documents in line as the same, that in the end is approved by the judge and by all attorney in appearance of said court. The way to type it, even how to staple it, such as 10 sheets of paper and under, you can use staples.act. 5. It is very important that you see that I did send my objection to all interested persons, every one of them. I even sent the judge a complete copy for his own personal viewing, to the clerk. One is extra copy for entitled. This was the postcards to the total number of entitled, 11 heirs, and 14 beneficiaries. This confidential, only to me and my sister, agreement makes it okay to do whatever you want. So estate services added 13 beneficiary. These are who I sent my intentions of objecting, which by law, you as the senior paternal male minus head of bloodline are entitled to do, unless you are main. Now on the 8th day of April I sent 12 packages out by Hawaii law. You have to file your objection within the 30 days. Well, I still have not got that settlement report that tells me what percentage him to get. Now folks, you know the blood, you know that you problem would start with your first encounter, such as to trade or deal with this bloodline course. Around these parts it's hard to get the best of a deal. I know a lot of them. I would ask, are we can somehow anyway blood don't share too good with family, so I don't think it's too good for me. Remember my title in this, and non-blood are in the money, they are stealing. With the court help. The descendant didn't care what happened, for he was bedridden and had to have a nurse wipe his butt. 6. If you look at the top, you will see that it is now been continued to Thursday, August 15, 2019 at 9 noon. This is also a good picture to see the law that is good for others, but not Maine. Check this out. Where it says dated Honolulu, Hawaii. Look above that at the last paragraph. That pursuant to Rule 10C of the Hawaii Probate Rules, any party wishing to object or respond to the petition shall file such objection or response with the court, or serve it on all interested persons within 30 days of service of the petition and this order. Do you see that? May 22, 2019. 7. This is postcard sent to the entitled 11 heirs, 14 beneficiaries, and now it's past the 23 RD, and I still have not got the report that Cusin attorney promised Maine. I also sent a $50 money order to the court for filing fees. 8. This is receipt for the same. 9. This is receipt for my pleadings, sent out the 8th of April, for the court must get a response from an interested person or waive your rights or it is taken that you have no problem with the petition and this order. 12 packages of my pleading, every one that was in the court last time I sent them 32 pages of pleading, evidence, for my opinion, my declaration. The letter is to the District Attorney of the State of Hawaii. The title is A Question of Law. One package went to the White House, to hopefully spark an interest in our President, not only for the Constitution violation on my family, but the violation of the Constitution in regards to Lisa and dissecting her alive. Don't anybody have a problem with that? Maybe it will help you if your loved one begs you 30 days before she dies. You got to stop them, Gator. Please. Please, Gator. Promise me if my dream comes true. Promise, Gator. You will stop them from doing this to someone else. I was hoping to get his attention with the 12 million business property estate. One of the information Ray Cover Y reports that Philip had $22 million in assets when he died. We will never know, because 62 has been deleted, and therefore no inventory to report to the court. Have you found you a pen and ups of paper that you can write to the court? Don't forget that whether you or yours don't know or follow the Constitution, Believe me, the supreme judges do at least in face, with everyone sending letters of your disapproval. We, as in we the people, should get a chance to be heard. And maybe I'm wrong, I've been wrong before, but you see the evidence, I got more. 11. Judge R. Mark Browning, Chief Judge, denied me my right to object to the confidential settlement, indemnification and mutual release agreement. 12 from Law Clerk, 3rd Division. Ray, probate no. 17-1-058, the estate of Philip Finn, also known as Philip the 50th Finn. Also known as Philip Leo Finn, deceased. 12. This is to notify you that on April 9, 2019 the court received a letter dated April 2, 2019 from Mitchell Uranov, regarding the above reference case. Please be advised that ex parte communication with the court regarding any pending proceedings is not permitted. Any request for relief from or action by the court must be filed and served on all interested persons to the proceedings. Please refrain from sending any further communication to the court. 13.
Okay, people, y'all come on back and see me. I'm going to make this 2 parts, okay? Don't forget about Lisa's grandbaby law. That's what it's all about. When that bill comes up, sign it. Yes, I want this. Okay, it just says that they can't use brain dead anymore to steal your organs. How awful is that? Bye-bye now.